Probably the largest global challenge we face today in agriculture is climate change. Just that's the word we use. But along with climate change come a whole lot of other things. Massive migration of both people and pests and diseases, and not just changes in temperature and rising sea levels, but many other things. So the arable land that we use for our crops is exposed to a very, very different set of conditions now and in the future than it has been in the past. So our big challenge is that all the things we've learned for the last 10,000 years, in which we've really optimized many of our techniques, both in the traditional agriculture setting and in the more mechanized settings, are no longer solutions we used to have. So the BOLD project is trying to inject a new idea of how to use natural variation, which already exists in nature, for our crops and our wild relatives of those crops, to try to meet those challenges. And we believe that most of the genetics that we need for the future already exist, but we need to recombine the genetics that we have in all kinds of new ways, introducing variants of our crops or new crop varieties, and thinking a bit about what we project the kind of climate that we're going to be encountering in the future will be, and breeding towards a climate that we haven't yet experienced. So that's a lot for us to deal with, but the BOLD project is giving us both a focus on natural genetic variation, a focus on using that natural genetic variation to try to address problems of the future, and go through rapid evolutionary processes to get there.